Small talk can be annoying, especially for introverts.
You drink coffee, man, or no?
Nah.
Really?
Yeah.
Starting off like this puts all the pressure on the other person to continue the conversation. To avoid this, bring up how you feel in conversation. For context, here Akshay is talking about his first day on set as an actor.
Because I was a little bit nervous because I had to face the camera for the first time. And Raj Sippi was my director.
You saw that he was openly talking about how nervous he was. If you start doing this, you will move further along from boring small talk to more meaningful conversation. Once you're in a conversation, there is a natural tendency in people to talk over each other. And this is where a lot of quiet people especially struggle. When Akshay is speaking, he doesn't let other people cut him off. One way to do this is to just repeat what you were saying.
Why are you doing this? I mean, isn't it stupid?
Right.
And that's the last thing. That's the last thing you want to hear at the moment.
Correct.
Another way to handle interruptions is simple. Continue speaking.
Because I didn't want to remember it. I just wanted to go.
So what did you think
And that is what I liked about Sudha. She allowed me to.
But what if you're in a group and everybody's talking and you are looking for a chance to speak? One mistake people make in these situations is that they jump in and completely cut off the other person. This isn't great because nobody likes being interrupted. Instead, when you do want to jump in, start by relating to what the other person was saying so that they feel heard, and then talk about what you want.
So I think on TV also he was pushing the boundary
that's
back
the best
then.
thing. Just like how you said, no, when you saw it and you said, "Arey, ye kaun hai?"
This doesn't mean you do this all the time. You only do this when you have something important to say and aren't able to get a word in. We've talked about how to get space to talk, but it's helpful to balance that with giving others a chance to speak. Akshay naturally attracts attention because he's being interviewed. Instead of treating his interviews like a question and answer session, he often asks questions to the interviewers. Here he's talking about film critics.
What do you think about it?
No, I completely agree with you.
And watch again here as he's talking about what he would do if he wasn't an actor.
Merchant Navy, by the way. So that was my plan B. So that's it. Sir, आपका क्या plan था?
By doing this, he communicates interest in other people. The final habit we'll cover in today's video is perhaps his greatest strength. Akshay is comfortable with polarizing. He's willing to state his honest motivations even when he knows that they might not be well received.
To be honest, when I started my career, I came in this industry. I didn't even know that I'm going to come in this industry. I came to earn money. When I came in the industry, I looked at it as a place where I can go and earn money.
Okay.
To be honest, I came here in the industry to earn money.
In your life, you probably also have beliefs that have shaped your worldview. I highly recommend you bring those beliefs into conversation even if you think they won't be popular. Because what happens is, you will quickly figure out which people are a good fit for you and which people aren't. But what's cool here is that the people that have similar worldviews and beliefs as you, they will become much more interested in connecting with you because we are all ultimately looking for people who are similar to us. And if you're worried about how people will receive you when you try to polarize like this, make it clear that you're only making commentary about yourself and not about others.
There are different kind of actors also. Somebody doesn't want to work so much. Somebody says, but they are not wrong. They are on their own. Everybody has their own. Some actors don't want to do more than one film a year. Some actors don't want to do in 4 years one film. Yeah. So there are many kind of actors, they want to do what they want to do. Correct. And they are also right in their play.
But even after doing all of this, there is one more conversational skill that will help you make an unforgettable impression in any conversation. If you'd like to learn that skill, click on the video on screen now.